Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to add date picker calendar in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen, here in this Excel sheet I have a format for entering the detail of the purchase, and here in the date of purchase column I can enter the date by simply using this date picker tool. Click on the cell, click on date picker, it will activate the calendar. Choose any date that you want to put in the cell, then it goes here in the cell. Let's start learning how to add this date picker tool in the ribbon. First of all, you need to download the date picker add-in. For that, open any internet browser. Then open the website, that is www.learnexcelandsheets.com. This is the website. Here in the search box, put date picker add-in, then click on the search. Here in the search result, you can see this how to add date picker calendar in Excel 365. Open this article. Scroll down and here you will have this download add-in button. Click on this. It will download the add-in file. Choose the location to save this file. Then click on save. Open this downloads folder. And here you can see the date picker add-in is given. First of all, you need to extract this folder by right clicking. Click on extract all. Then click on extract. The folder is extracted. If you want to keep this add-in in different location, then you can simply copy this add-in. Then create a new folder in your computer. Let me go to this PC. Open this D drive. Create here a new folder by right clicking. Then click on new folder. Then put here add-ins. Open this folder, then paste the date picker add-in here. Now you have to click on this folder address bar, then copy this folder path by right clicking, then copy. Go to Microsoft Excel sheet, then click on File tab, Options, Advanced. Scroll down and here you have this at startup open all file in option. Here in this box, right click and paste the folder path you just copied, D add-ins. Now click on OK. After doing this, just close this Excel workbook and reopen it. Then go to File tab, Options, Customize ribbon. Now here you need to create a custom group to put the date picker. You can choose any tab to put the date picker, like the Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout, Formula, any tab you can choose. I want to keep the date picker in the Home tab. So click on the Home tab, then click on New Group option. Here a new custom group is created. Click on the Rename button, then put the name of the group as My Tools, or you can put here any other name, then click on OK. After creating the new group, go to this drop down, click on Macros. Here you will see this date picker add-in. Click on this date picker add-in, then click on Add. Inside this My Tool group, date picker is added. Click on the date picker, then click on Rename. And here you can choose a logo for date picker. Let me click on this one. If you want to change the name, then you can change the name also. Then click on OK. Click on OK. And here you can see the date picker is added. If you want to keep this date picker at the beginning, you can again go to File, Options, Customize ribbon. Then you can simply click, hold and drag this at the beginning of Home tab. Click on OK. Here you can see the date picker add-in is given here. Now you can simply click on the cell, click on date picker. It activates the calendar. You can simply choose the date that you want to put in the cell. So this is all about the process of adding date picker calendar in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.